everyone, before I present my video, let me introduce myself. My name is Prisciana Marco and I study in English department and my PIN is 2501030068 and today I will explain the part of speech active voice and passive voice. Uh, the, the, the first is active voice. Active voice is a sentence where the subject performs the, the action stated by the verb. The basic structure is subject plus active verb plus object. Uh, the example is the student is subject. The student reads. The subject is the student. Active verb, a book, object. Other subject, base active verb and motorcycle object. The characteristic is the subject is the door of the action. Uh, the and the verb indicate the action performed by the subject. The next is it usually has an object that receives the, the action. Mm, the the part passive voice. Passive voice is a sentence where the subject receives the action taken by the verb. The door of the action may or may not be mentioned. Well, the basic structure is subject plus actual verb to be according to sentence plus past participle plus by the door. For the example is a book is read. A book is subject. Is read is actually is plus past participle by the student is door. And the sample next motorcycle was brought by father. Subject motorcycle actually broken word and by fathernya door. This is auxiliary verb in passive voice. In English, the auxiliary verbs to be in the appropriate tense is used to form the passive voice, followed, followed by the past participle of the main verb. The next is characteristic passive voice. Is the first is the subject is the receiver of the action. Second, the verb is formed with a be plus past participle. Third, the door of the action can be omit. It is not important of example without door. Books are read every day. Part 4, converting active to passive voice. Converting active to passive voice. The step is make the object of the active sentence the subject of the passive sentence and change the active verb to passive form to be plus past participle. 3. Add by followed by door. If you want to mention it, tense example. The next is present simple. Active, she wrote a letter to passive. A letter is written by her. Uh, the the passive active. The active, he brought a car to passive. A car was brought by him. Present continuous. Active, they are building a house. To passive, a house is being built by them. Present perfect, the active is we have finished the project. Passivenya, the project is being finished by us. And part 5 is when to use active or passive voice. Use active voice when Use active voice when you want to emphasize the door of the action. The sentence is simple, singular, and clearly written. The object is not the main focus. For the example is, I cook food for my family. The next is use passive voice when you want to impress the receiver of the action. The, the door is no or not important, and you want to make the sentence more formal. Example: